What is good, gang? It's another day. Just got back from first cut, and I know I'm still wearing a hat, but you know, it's because I like my hats. You want to see my hair, bro? Nah, let's put the hat back on. So if you guys remember from the last clip, I found out that I had a leak in my bag, so I copped a new one. It got here yesterday. The replacement bag. Ooh, smooth. So today we're gonna replace the bag, and y'all gonna learn today. You heard? Got to get it, bro. Got to get it, bro. And tomorrow I'm getting my body kit back from the paint shop, bro. So you already know. So today I'm gonna replace this bag, and then I'm gonna wash the car, get it ready for the body kit, and then look how filthy these wheels are, bro. I now officially hate polished wheels for that reason. They look good when they're clean, but they suck to clean. So with a little bit of rustling, but we got it out. So I'm gonna be replacing this with this, because this one, this silver ring right here, so this is where the air is leaking from right here. So I just got a new one. So first thing, you gotta take off the damper setting, twist it off by twisting off the silver part.
No, with me and you.
I'm doing what?
Having brother and sister. Bonding.
Bonding. We don't bond.
Well, let's try.
Dick. So then you're gonna have to get an Allen for right here. This stops it from spinning. And then go with a 17. And the top hat will come off. I'm gonna take this off, like a washer. So once you get to this point and you got all this shit off, you basically just have to twist it off the strut itself, because inside there's threads in there. I don't know if you can see, but so you just twist it off these threads, and yeah, I just gotta fucking twist this shit off now. So it might be kind of tough at first, but once you break loose, it just comes right off. So here we are, old with the new. It looks like that because obviously this one was aired up. But don't forget to take off your leader hose, or if not, how are we gonna put the air in, bro? Get some of this, I forgot what it's called. Plumbers use it, plumber's tape, whatever it's called. And put it on your fittings, bro, so you have zero leak. And then just reverse the process. So you're gonna have to screw your new bag onto your strut and then put your top hat on. Fetch. Then take your strut, stick it in, screw it on, my Frankie. Why you don't screw on, bro? Come on, screw on, bro. Don't play with me. What the fuck? You're not screwing, bro. So yeah, I got it. You just really gotta force it in and then twist it on. So now throw this washer on. And this top hat. then that nut. Alright, so now we Gucci. Now all you gotta do is throw it back on the car. There we have it. That's it. Now we back to 100. Now I gotta wrestle this back in, and then I'm gonna wash the whip. So of course, the simple things can never go smooth. So the bolts and nut right here for the fork stripped the out, bro. Come on. Like, why? Seriously, bro. Every single time it could be the stupidest shit. Something gotta happen. I left that bolt right now, and I left it on as tight as I can for now, because I need to wash this car right now. So I'm gonna move it over there. Hopefully my car doesn't break down, because that would be no bueno. If my car breaks down right now, that's no more bueno. That's more content for you, but that's less money for me. The car's over here now. I'm gonna just briefly wash it. Then I'm gonna start tomorrow's video, which is gonna be with the wide body kit. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.